My name is Yaon Marl Joseph from BS Cream 37. I will talk about the 5 schools of penology and how each once explained crimes and punishment. So, the number 1, demonological or pre-scientific school. This is the oldest way of thinking. People believe that when someone committed a crime, it was because they were under the influence of evil spirit or the devil. The person was seen as a victim of possession, not as someone acting on their own will. So the punishment here, very cruel and painful punishment, were given like torture or execution to drive away demons and warn others. So the demonological crime, devil's works punish harshly. The number 2, classical school. The classical school say that the people commit crimes because they choose to. Human have free will and think about the benefits versus the risk. If the punishment is harsher than the reward, they won't commit the crime. So the punishment here is it should be quick, certain, and harsh enough to make people think twice. The goal is to prevent crime through fear of punishment. So the classical crime is choice punish to scare others. The number 3, neoclassical school. This school builds on the classical idea but adds fairness. It says that not everyone can be treated the same. For example, the children, the mentality ill, or people in special situation cannot always be fully responsible. So, the punishment should consider the personal situation of the offender. So, the punishment here is still aims to stop crimes but also consider justice and compensation in each case. So, the neoclassical similar to classical but consider special cases. So, the next is number 4, positivist or Italian school. Here the focus is not on free will, but on factors that influence a person. Things like biology, psychology, or environment can push someone into crime. This means that people sometimes don't freely choose crimes. It can come from their conditions. So the punishment here is the answer is not only punishment but rehabilitation like counseling, treatment and programs that fix the root causes of the behavior. So the positivist crimes is caused by factors of focus on rehab. Next is number 5, sociological schools. These schools say crimes is mainly caused by society. For example, poverty, lack of education, bad, bad peer influence, or unfair systems. It's not just about the person but about the environment they grow up in. So the punishment here is instead of only punishing society, should solve the social problem, give better educations, jobs, and community. Support to prevent crimes before it happens. So the sociological crimes is from society focused on reform. So thank you so much po.